Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzles, the regular puzzles of today's newspaper on Friday, September the 20th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the Killer Sudoku and the Sudoku with 4 stars. And in today's newspaper, I've told you we have an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Now I will start or continue with the second puzzle. And the news of today, well, I've told you earlier, the price of gasoline is dropped. Yeah, because I thought the price will be increased because about the war, if it's every time wartime, then the price will be higher. Yeah. Anyway, let me continue. This will be number 9304. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 24. Yeah, a truly 4 stars Sudoku. 4 star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 4 ones. All right. 1, 2, 2, 3 threes, 3 fours, 3 fives, 6s, 2 6s, 2 sevens, 3 8s, and 2 9s, 3 9s. Yeah, 3 9s. Okay. Can I start with a 1? No. Well, it's not true. In this column, the second column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the second row. No 1 there. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. So the 1 could be here, here, or there. Well, see another 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 in the row above. No 1 there. The only place left with 1 should be there. Then need a 1 here. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Well, cannot continue with the 1. Need to wait. Need a 6 here. This one is not easy. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in the middle row, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left with 5 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 6 in this second column should be here. 2 numbers left now in this column. Second column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes in there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there we have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 5. It should be there. Need a 5 here. Okay. Need a 5 there. I need a 5 here. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. Need an 8 here. 3. Yeah, 3 there. Yeah. How about the... Yeah. Need a 1 here. 1. Need a 4. Need a 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 1 number is the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1, 1. Need a 4 here. 4. Alright. I need a 7 here. And I need a 9. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. No. We already have a 9 here. 9, need a 9 there then. 9 here. Need a 1 here. Need a... Come on. 8, need a 8 here. Wait. 8. Yeah. 8 in this last row, 8 in that row. So the row between, no, need to place level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. 8. 8. Yeah. 3, need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Well, need a 3 there. Okay. We have 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. In this row, we need a 3. Here, give me 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here, give me 3. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 3 there. Here, give me 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. The only place left for 3 in this row should be here. 3, okay. Yeah, I'm thinking. 9 in this row, last row, 9 in the row above, so that row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so 3 goes there. 9. 9 in this column, last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. I need a 9 here. I need a 9 there. 9 here, okay. Then, let me see. 2. Need a 1 here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. 8. Need 8 here. 8. Yeah. 2 and a 7. Will be difficult. 2 and a 7. How about a 6 then? 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 6 should be there. 6. I need a 6 also. 6 and a 2. 2 and a 6. 6. No. 6. 6 needs 6 there. Well, we have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. We have an 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for 8 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 8 and 6, 8 and 6. Okay, then need a 2, need a 9, need a 7. 2, 7, I need a 3 here. Okay. Alright. And now, well, need a 9 here. 6, 6, 6. Here should be the 6. 6 in one of those two boxes in this column. 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places left, the 6 should be here over there. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left, the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so the last column, the only place left, the 6 should be there. 8 in the 6, we have a 6 now in this third row, no 6 there, 6 should be there, and 8 goes there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright, 2 numbers left in this last column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this row are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left, the 5 should be here. 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left, the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 5. How about a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so the first row. Only place left for 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. All right. Then, 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there we have an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 8. How about the 4s? No. 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers are 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. In this big square, should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only place left for the 4 is should be there. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4, all right. Then let me see. One. How about the 9? Do it for the 9s. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8, the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. All right. 2 and 7. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. Same numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left now in this big square. For the same numbers, the 1, 2, and the 7, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Here, two numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Exactly 60 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other regular puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.